So this is our chapter Animal Kingdom, and we'll study about the characteristics of phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda means arthro means jointed, poda means legs, arthropoda means jointed legs, and phylum Mollusca. John C. Bolt in 1945 proposed the term arthropoda and established it as phylum. The phylum Arthropoda includes the largest number of animals with 9 lakh species. Thus, this is the largest phylum of animal kingdom. So, these are the organisms of Arthropoda are having two-thirds of the all named species on Earth are arthropods. They have organ system level of organization, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblasted, segmented and coelomate animals. So you all know the meaning of all these terms. The body of arthropod is covered by chitinous exoskeleton, due to which they can, so many of them live as living fossils. The body consists of head, thorax and abdomen. They have jointed appendages. Respiratory organs are gills, book lungs and tracheal system. Circulatory system is open type, means the arteries and veins, blood vessels are not present. Blood flows in the body organs, inside the cavities, and all the body organs are bathing in the blood. And blood doesn't contain hemoglobin. A pigment hemocyanin is present, but no color is present. The hemocyanin gives it a light pale whitish color. So circulatory system is of open type. Sensory organs like antennae, eyes are compound and simple. Stetocyst or balance organs are present. Excretion takes place through Malpighian tubules. They are mostly dioecious. Dioecious means male and female are different. Fertilization is usually internal. They are mostly oviparous. Oviparous means they give eggs. Eggs को deliver करते हैं. Development may be direct or indirect. So examples are apis, honeybee, you all have seen, silkworm, lac insect, anopheles mosquito, culex and aedes mosquito, etc. So here are the pictures of some of the arthropods. First you can see cockroach, antennae are present, the antenna act as a sensory organ, and scorpion, bichu, and then locust and centipede is present. So some economically important insects are apis like honeybee, bombyx means silkworm, and lacifer lac insect. And vectors are anopheles, culex and aedes mosquito. They all are the vectors for diseases. They carry protozoans or as a pathogen and deliver diseases to the healthy persons. These are some more pictures of arthropods, butterfly, stick insect, army ant, and Hercules beetle and dragonfly. You can see all are having the jointed legs, and the body surface, the outermost layer of the body is hard, made up of chitinous, जो कि उनको ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम तक survive करने में help करती है. Phylum Mollusca is the second largest animal phylum. Mollusk may be terrestrial and may be aquatic. In aquatic, they may be marine or freshwater, having an organ system level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomate animals. Body is covered by a calcareous shell and is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot, and visceral hump. A soft and spongy layer of skin forms a mantle over the visceral hump. The space between hump and mantle is called the mental cavity, in which the feather-like gills are present. They have respiratory and excretory functions. The interior head region has sensory tentacles. The mouth contains a file-like raspin organ for feeding, and that is called radula. Mollusks are usually dioecious. Dioecious you all know. And oviparous. Oviparous means they laying eggs with indirect development. Indirect development means larval stages are present. Then examples are pila, sea oyster, and then pearl oyster, sepia, cuttlefish, loligo. Loligo is called squid, and octopus is called devilfish, and Aplysia, sea hare. So these are the names of the mollusk. So in this slide, you can see the pictures of some mollusk. Pearl oyster means which is giving rise to pearl when a drop of rain goes inside its body. Then calcium carbonate is secreted around it and pearl is formed. Then land snail is there. Then limnia, octopus having 8 arms. You have studied about this octopus many times. And sepia, chichon and unia, all are the examples of mollusks.